This maths problem that I have on the board here behind me is a bit of multiplication skills and division and a bit of addition. Mr. Anthony, he's a grade 6 teacher, loves Pokemon cards. He has collected 6 times as many as Mr. Blair, that's me. In total, that means combined or all together, the two teachers, which is Mr. Anthony and me, we have 63 Pokemon cards. Yes. How many cards does each teacher have? Tricky. So let's look at the key words. Grade 6 teacher, not really relevant. Loves Pokemon cards, doesn't matter. He has collected 6 times as many as Mr. Blair. He's got 6 times as many. In total, so it means combined, together, the two teachers have 63 Pokemon cards. How many does each teacher have? So in total, there are 63 cards. So let's put 63. 63 cards. And Mr. Anthony has 6 times as many as Mr. Blair. So for example, if I had 1 Pokemon card, let's put Mr. Blair's 1 here. There's 1. I'm using pens instead, or markers. So if I've got 1, this is Mr. Blair's, Mr. Blair. 1 times 6 would be 6. So Mr. Anthony over here has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he has 6 times as many as Mr. Blair, because 1 times 6 is 6. In total, in this area, we have 7 in total, 7 markers. If Mr. Blair had 2 markers, I'm trying to find another marker. Here's a marker. If I had 2 markers, and Mr. Anthony had 6 times as many, 6 times 2 would be 12. So he would have 12, I would have 2, 12 plus 2 gives me 14. So when you get to this sort of situation, we know in total there's 63. Mr. Anthony has 6 times as many as Mr. Blair. So in order to do this, what we have to do is, if I take that one away, I have 1, he has 6. 6 times as many. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 is my key. 7. In total there's 63. 63 shared between 7, or 63 divided by 7, what would that give me? 9. 63 divided by 7 equals 9. So if I have 9 Pokemon cards, Mr. Anthony has 6 times as many as Mr. Blair. So 6 times 9 would be 54. So Mr. Anthony has 54. I have 9. If I plus them together, 54 plus 9 should give me 63. So that's the way you do it. Now let's just test that a little bit. Let's change it up a little bit. Let's go with if we collected 15 collected, in total, have 15 Pokemon cards. And Mr. Anthony's got, ooh, how many do you reckon? 2 times as many, or 3 times, or 4? What do you think? 2 times as many. All right. 2 times, I'll put it right here. 2 times as many, which is twice the amount. 2 times as many, and I'm going to use, get rid of these. So we know in total, 15 Pokemon cards. And Mr. Anthony has 2 times as many as Mr. Blair. So, if I have 1, for Mr. Blair, 1, he has 2 times as many. 2 times 1 is 2. I could do this. I get 1, he gets 2. I get 1, he gets 2. It's taking a long time, this. I get 1, he gets 2. I get 1, he gets 2. Let's double check. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 10 is 15. He has 10, I have 5. He has twice as many as me, 2 times as many. Let's try it back the other way. If we had 15, which we have, 15 here, 15, and so for example at the start, I get given 1, he gets twice as many, which is this one up here, 2 times as many, is 2, and I have 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now I can do 15 divided by 3 gives me 5. So I get 5. 15 take away 5 leaves 10. He gets 10. Hopefully that makes sense. 100 cents makes $1. And just a little hint here, if you were talking currency, which is money, some places use dirham and fils, like in the UAE. Other places use currency or money, such as dollars or cents. And there's other currency as well. Whenever you're talking money and you're showing how much it costs, you need to put the currency symbol or show that it's, so if it was $5.50, $5.50. $5, even though you put dollars in front, $5.50. If it was 3 dirham, you might have 3 and the symbol AED, or the letters I should say, 3 dirham. But make sure you show a currency that you're talking money, something you're going to spend with this currency or dollars or dirham. Just a random bit of information there.